My name is Elizabeth, and I'm a researcher from Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory, and I'll be talking about emotion recognition using an auto-context data set. So, okay. So there are a total of 7 common cultural emotions that are recognized across all cultures, and those are happy, neutral, sad, surprise, angry, and stuff. And it's hard to categorize emotions because there are a variety of emotions and there are no solid agreement on definitions of emotions. And so, so why are spacious? Um, okay. So what we did is that we used an emotion recognition data set as well as a facial recognition data set, and we used a pre-trained network on Celebrity 1 Million, which is a facial recognition data set. And so we extracted several features throughout the entire pre-trained network, and once we extracted those features from the Celebrity 1 Million data set, we further trained it on the facial or emotion recognition data set, and we then fused features together, and we then um, we then like we then had different layers results, and the results that did better were the ones at the beginning of the network, because mainly probably because like at the earlier stages of facial recognition and motion recognition, there's probably some um, correlation of elementary facial features rather than at the later layers where it's probably towards the facial recognition problem.